Okay folks, so here's a quick demo of how you can do this just by moving the cursor, or click and hold the cursor, and it moves the picture around. You can move it up, down, all the way around, full 360. Bring the cursor back, hold it again. So that should help you navigate. On a screen like a phone or a tablet, you should be able to just push with your finger and move it around like that, and then that'll work exactly the same. As I say, it's just a short example. You can then, if you've got a mouse, you can use the zoom wheel and zoom in or zoom out, and you can make yourself a tiny planet if you want to, like that. It's all good fun. Okay, hope that demo satisfies it for you. As I say, this is a fully interactive video done in this way. Thanks for watching.